What if a meteor, as large as the one that wiped out the dinosaurs, struck Earth again? It all begins with a strange anomaly detected by space agencies. An object, hundreds of kilometers wide, is heading straight toward Earth. Initial reports are uncertain. Some believe it's a passing comet, while others fear the worst. The countdown to impact begins. Day 1. Governments issue emergency alerts. People begin to panic as the news spreads. The streets fill with chaos. Cars clog highways, and airports are packed with people fleeing. Shelters are set up in cities, but there's no real escape from what's coming. Day 2. The object's trajectory is confirmed. The meteor will hit the Earth in less than 48 hours. Global evacuation orders are given. Military forces are deployed to keep order, but with mass panic taking hold, it's difficult to maintain control. Day 3. The skies darken as the meteor draws closer. The temperature begins to rise as the atmosphere thickens. In cities, people prepare for the worst, hoarding food and supplies. Authorities urge people to stay inside, but it's clear that no one is ready for what's about to happen. Hours before impact, a blinding flash of light. Then a massive shockwave rips through the planet. The ground trembles as buildings collapse. A deafening roar echoes across the earth. Waves of fire and destruction engulf entire cities. The moment of impact. The impact is catastrophic. The world shakes violently as the meteor strikes. A giant explosion sends debris flying, and the Earth is rocked by shock waves, leveling everything in its path. Cities are obliterated. Global communications are cut off, leaving millions in silence. The aftermath, hours later. The dust from the explosion fills the atmosphere, blocking out the sun. The Earth is plunged into darkness. Temperatures plummet. Survivors struggle to comprehend the devastation. Fires continue to burn across continents, while the seas surge with tsunamis that strike the coastlines, sweeping everything in their way.
Several months after the impact, months after the meteor strike, Earth remains in chaos. The oceans have turned toxic, and most marine life is gone. Countless dead sea creatures now rot along the coastlines. Cities are silent and overgrown. Wild animals have entered abandoned urban areas, wandering freely through the ruins. Nature is reclaiming what humanity left behind. Several years after the impact. In ancient times, when dinosaurs went extinct, human beings came millions of years later, digging through fossils, writing books, building museums, creating documentaries. They asked, what happened to them? Why did they vanish? But now, if humans vanish the way the dinosaurs did, will there be anyone left to ask what happened to us? Will anyone dig up our ruins, read our books? Will someone, somewhere, write stories about us?